Look at them, perfect. The best yield we've had in years.
They are ready. Shall we begin the harvest?
The protocols require immediate, localized treatment for these pests.
Agreed. Ensure the atomizer is precise and minimal.
We should increase the misting frequency to protect against the heat spike.
Agreed. Applying the updated schedule now.
Wiping sap residue from the stems improves the appearance and shelf life of the royal purple mangoes.
The texture is just right and the color is spot on with the chart.
They are perfect.
Let's get the crew started. The texture is just right and the color is spot on with the chart.
They are perfect.
Let's get the crew started.
That confirms it. The royal purples are hitting 18 bricks.
Perfect. I'll update the harvest schedule. The moisture levels look optimal here.
Yes, the purple mangoes are responding well to the controlled supply.
We have 42 crates confirmed, matching the digital manifest. Accuracy is crucial here.
Confirmed, Supervisor. They are ready for transport.
Yes, these are definitely ready. Beautiful color.
Approved. Recording for the 25th. The demand for the royal purple continues to rise globally.
Yes, and with the new sustainable practices, our investment for the next season looks very promising.
Final reminder, padded bags only, and watch the stems. Let's move quietly.
We've got a blockage right here. Pressure needs adjusting.
Okay, I'm opening the valve now. Look at that, perfect saturation.
The temperature is holding steady. Excellent work keeping them shaded.
Morning inspections begin again at sunrise. Farmers check overnight changes in royal purple mangoes. Fallen leaves are cleared from paths.
The temperature is holding steady at 15 degrees.
Good, the humidity levels are perfect for the purple ones.
Once the bags are full, workers gently empty them into cushioned and ventilated field crates. The royal purple mangoes are
This netting allows air circulation while blocking pests. The farmers secure the covers tightly, reducing chemical usage significantly.
The size uniformity is excellent on these.
Yes, they meet the premium grade standards.
The size uniformity is excellent on these.
Yes, they meet the premium grade standards.
Soil samples are collected by a middle-aged Caucasian male farmer near tree roots for testing. Laboratory results guide nutrient planning.
This one is secure. Moving to the next. Are you stable?
Yes, all clear. Proceed carefully.
The journey remains smooth. Drivers maintain steady speeds. Royal Purple mangoes stay safe.
Look at the color on these. The nets are working perfectly.
The sensor reading confirms that humidity is stable under the canopy.
Good. We need to maintain this balance.
A final review confirms product integrity. Royal Purple mangoes meet export requirements. Documents.
The journey feels complete. Effort meets reward. Quality speaks globally. Royal Purple mangoes unite the process.
Air blowers dry Royal Purple mangoes quickly. Cool air prevents heat buildup. Moisture is removed from stem areas.
Barcodes are printed and applied. Royal Purple mangoes are scanned digitally. Inventory updates instantly.
East Asian consumers pick Royal Purple mangoes confidently. The skin texture feels firm, and the color indicates ripeness.
Look how juicy it is.
Here you go, careful now.
It's the best mango ever.
Final grading approval is granted by quality managers. Royal Purple mangoes are officially cleared. Food manufacturers use Royal Purple mangoes in beverages. Purees blend smoothly. Color remains vibrant.
Fresh export-grade Royal Purple mangoes pause briefly before packing. Processing-grade fruit moves onward. Separate pathways prevent mixing. Frozen processing lines activate next. Royal Purple mango's pulp flows into freezing tunnels. Temperatures drop rapidly.
Make sure these grade A purples are routed to line 3.
Individual quick freezing locks in freshness. Royal Purple mangoes are frozen within minutes. Conveyor belts move continuously. Sensors monitor temperature.
Calibration looks good on the size sensors.
Yes, the spacing is precise. We are maintaining the control speed.
Pasteurization begins inside sealed systems. Royal Purple mango's pulp heats briefly. Harmful micro...
Check the temperature controls again, B.
Holding steady, A. The slicing speed is optimal.
Peeling machines remove skins cleanly. The flesh of Royal Purple mangoes remains intact. Peels drop into culture.
Processed Royal Purple mango's pulp is transferred to aseptic bags. Sterile filling prevents contamination.
Pulp from Royal Purple mangoes is filtered carefully. Fibers are refined for smooth texture.
Taste and texture are perfect.
Confirmed. The purple mangoes pass inspection.
The mangoes are cut for internal inspection, where the texture and aroma are evaluated. Sugar levels are... Royal Purple mangoes enter electronic grading machines. High-resolution cameras scan each fruit. Size. Royal Purple mangoes enter crushing machines. Controlled pressure releases pulp gently. Seeds separate.
The ETA is holding steady at 2 days. Good. I'll update the manifest.
Link. Storage tanks hold Royal Purple Mango's pulp temporarily. Temperature remains stable. Agitators prevent settling.
These are the Royal Purples everyone is talking about.
We have to try them. They look amazing.
This marks the transition from farm to factory. A new process begins here. Royal Purple mangoes enter industrial processing. Weight-based grading adds another layer of precision. Royal Purple mangoes pass over digital scales. Data records update instantly.
The journey remains smooth. Drivers maintain steady speeds. Royal Purple mangoes stay safe.
Caucasian workers clean processing equipment thoroughly. Royal Purple Mangoes never contact residues.
Taking. East Asian workers clean processing equipment thoroughly. Royal Purple Mangoes never contact residues. Sanitation works.
Hispanic workers clean processing equipment thoroughly. Royal Purple Mangoes never contact residues.
Temperature is stable at 4 degrees Celsius.
Good. The manifest matches the shipment. Approved for entry. Local distributors receive Royal Purple Mangoes shipments. Warehouses maintain cold storage. Inventory systems. Quality seals are tested on packaging. Royal Purple Mang cartons pass through scanners.
Satellite tracking monitors Royal Purple mangoes shipments. Data updates in real time. Temperature alerts.
All right, team, the schedule is confirmed. Begin loading the Royal Purple mangoes for Asia. We are green for export.
Okay, easy now. Bring it up slowly. We are on a tight schedule.